Hello and welcome back to another Cricut tutorial with Let's Craft About It. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I took this single layered Grinch and turned him into a multiple layered Grinch in Cricut Design Space. So if you want to learn how to do this, keep watching and make sure to give this video a thumbs up. So instead of paying $2.69 for this SVG, we are going to do this completely free. So the first thing you want to do is head over to Google and you're going to type in Grinch coloring page. So then once you get into Google, you're going to look for the image you want and then you're going to simply save it and download it onto your computer. Next, we're going to go into Cricut Design Space and we're going to select a new project and we're going to go ahead and upload the image we just downloaded. And you're simply just going to do that by hitting the upload button and then selecting the image you want to upload. So now we're going to get into the cleaning, but you want to make sure that you are adjusting the color tolerance just to get the crispiest look. And then you're going to go ahead and start cleaning up by deleting all of the white and just leaving the black outline. And you want to make sure that you're zooming in just so that you can get those little areas in his face. This is just so that you can get the best and making sure you got all of the white. Once you're done with cleaning up the face, you're just simply going to go ahead and save it and then upload it onto your canvas. So here I'm just gonna go ahead and upload the color version of him just so that I can use it as a guide when I'm working on his single layered, making it a multiple. So I'm just simply going to clean up the white background and then I'm gonna go ahead and save it as a print then cut image and then upload it onto my canvas. So now that I have this done, we're going to go ahead and move the colored version to the corner and then we're going to bring the actual single layered all the way to the corner so that when we start contouring him, we can still see him as we're contouring. So this is where the fun part and where we all really start to see him come together. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and select the contour button and we're going to go ahead and select every single piece except the outside layer, leaving us with a solid black image, also known as the base layer. So now that we are done with that, we're going to go ahead and duplicate this layer, line it up perfectly, and then we're going to go ahead and change the color to the next color that we're going to be working with. So I'm going to go ahead and change it to a green so that I can start working with the green face. Once you have that, you're going to go back and hit the contour button, and then we're going to go ahead and select everything that's supposed to be green. By doing this, you have to select the green part and then unselect the outside layer, and then we can go ahead and work with just the green layer. So now we're just going to be duplicating and repeating the steps for the amount of colors that you need. So we're going to be doing this for the white as well as for the red. So you just duplicate, change the colors to the ones that you're working with, and then you're going to hit contour, and then you're going to contour the ones that you're adding. So you select one white, unselect the outside line, and then you keep selecting the white stuff. And then I'll do the same thing for the red layer. I'm going to go ahead and speed this up for you guys. And that's it. You guys just learned how to take a single layered and made it into a multiple layered. So we went from a solid Grinch to a multiple layered Grinch. And when we hit make it, you're going to see that his pieces will cut on their corresponding mats. If you enjoyed this video and learned something from it, please leave a comment below so we can go ahead and craft about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will catch you in my next one. Till next time, see ya and happy crafting, guys.